Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. I'm almost ready to get back on the road here. We're gonna be heading south. I washed my camper, you know, make it look nice while it's getting dirty traveling. But I also noticed when I was washing the roof and I was cleaning my roof that some of the slide tape, Turnabond tape or whatever seal that they used on my slide was peeling back because the slide goes in and out and the tape was rolling back. So let me go up and show you. Okay, right here you can see where the tape had peeled back. I had already cut it back and I have to replace this because right here is the metal trim. So I know water is going to get under that. So I already cut the rolled piece back and I got some Turnabond tape and I'm going to put another piece of Turnabond. And I'm laying that down. So let me know if I'm doing this correctly or if I should, what I should do, what I shouldn't do, you know, because I'm not an expert at this, but I know that has to be sealed. So I did cut the strip of the Turnabond the length of what I cut off and a little bit more on each end, but also sealed it with Tropicool. And the Tropicool obviously, you know, came off with the tape that rolled back. So I don't know if I'm going to put a coat of Tropicool over that. I'm thinking I will, because the sticky glue on the Turnabond tends to seep out and it sticks to the slide seals. So I think I'm going to seal that and put a coat or two over the Turnabond and recoat all of that on the slide so it has an easier surface and that glue don't seep out. Again, if I'm doing something wrong, let me know, you know, in the comments. Okay, all I'm gonna do is peel this back and try to line this up the best I can, because let me tell you, once this stuff sticks, it sticks. So press that down pretty good. Make sure all the edges, everything's sealed down tight. Should have a roller, but I don't have one. I don't think I have one. I got every other tool except for the ones I need. That makes sense. You know, you got all these tools and you always end up needing another tool. All right, as you see, I had probably about 2.5 feet to go on that end, and I probably had 4 feet to go on that end. I would have done the entire length of it, but I didn't have enough on my roll to do it all. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to get my Tropicool and I'm going to cover that entire strip, pull out the slide, and then let that set up. All right, this is what I used. Henry's Tropical. Yeah, let me get this out of the way. Henry's Tropical in a tan. All right, as you can see, that's what I coated my entire roof on. So I'll be putting out a video on that. And so make sure that you hit your subscribe, notifications, and you know, do all the things. It's free. So when I put that video out, I'm going to put that video out of how I did my roof in the Tropical. And it's been holding up very well, let me tell you. Okay. Now, I just applied a very heavy coat of Tropic Seal. Or Tropical. I'm sorry, Tropical. Along here. Looks good. I'll let that set up for a few days. And that should do the trick. Well, I hope you like that. And if you see that I did something wrong, or I should have done something different, please let me know down in the comments. I try to answer everything myself, and if I can keep up with them all. Lately, I can't keep up with them all. So, I try my best. So that's the fix. And I'll be on the road soon. Heading south. If you see me, say, hey, Papa. All right. Don't forget, smash that subscribe. Hit them likes. And watch this all the way through, because that helps me. That helps my channel grow. So go ahead and watch this all the way through till the end. And you'll see 2 more videos pop up. Click on them videos. All right, talk to you later, and I'll see you on the next adventure.